So please take time to reflect what you really need in your life now. This is me telling you that don't do abrupt decisions. It took 2 years for me to really decide this. I asked a lot of people, but at the end of the day, it was me who decided to come here. And as a breadwinner, I have this mindset na papanindigan ko. I'll do what it takes for me not to go home with a sad face. I'll make sure that with God's grace, I'm finally doing it now. Like, I'm finally achieving my goals. You can see here, if you can see, I have paid up some of my debts now. So if I was still in the Philippines, no, I cannot. So please think of it. Right now, my purpose here is becoming more clearer and clearer. So don't be afraid when at the present you seems to not understand your purpose, everything, you're confused. Go with the flow, live day by day. Salamat sa pagkita.